Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss why optimizing your Facebook ads campaigns is 100% correct. So a lot of times on my mentorships, I do see that there's a question coming up which is like, and why we should do that? Why we should not let Facebook ads, for example, optimize on their own?
What kind of game is that?
Because Facebook ads is already doing what we're trying to do with optimization on CPO and on ASC level, advanced shopping campaigns. So what we have done, I have observed how a CPO is working, I have observed how an ASC is working, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to predict what the campaign is going to do and how it's going to optimize based on the behavior that I have seen from campaigns that they optimize successfully. Now, are we going to do mistakes on this process? 100%. Are we going to fail optimizing? 100%. Are we going to be successful when we're doing that? 100%. And the proof is across many campaigns, but let's go on my PC. Let me show you one campaign that actually the algorithm optimized on its own. And this is proving the way that I'm optimizing my campaigns and I'm teaching other people to optimize. Apparently it's working because I know from my ad accounts and from other people that the way that we optimize it's working. But the reason that it's working is not because I'm a genius, it's because this is how Facebook also optimizes. So understanding how a campaign works and then try to do the same, but a little bit faster, without spending money. Sometimes it's going to prove that you're going to be wrong and you're going to do something stupid because Facebook knew better. But sometimes you might predict that Facebook is going to do this anyway, you're going to do it earlier, you're going to save a campaign, and so on and so on. So the more you understand it, the better you optimize it. Let's go into my PC. Let me show you how Facebook is fixing on its own these campaigns and why I ended up proposing and making all of this philosophy about CB optimization and ASC optimization. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that is going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. So this is not a CB optimization video, this is an ASC also, I believe. I would like to show you something so that you can see how Facebook can actually ruin the results, and if you don't intervene, maybe Facebook is going to do it, but maybe if you're proactive and you do it on your own, it's going to save you time. So let's see on this period from 23 to 27 over here, for the sake of this example, you will see that this one is an ad set that has spent the most amount of money. But I want you to see the journey of this ad. Is it an ad set or ad? It's an ad. So I want you to see the journey of this ad. So this is an ASC, it's working with dominant ads. What have we said? That we do monitor the dominant ad and we do see if it's going to take budget or not, because if the dominant ad is not profitable, then it's not going to be profitable at all. But I want you to see the journey. So we are marking this one over here. So we update on, over here, we can see that it didn't have any budget, okay, when the campaign started. I'm not saying that this is a good campaign. I'm saying this campaign failed, but there is a reason that it failed, okay? And maybe in the next one, I can just run it without this ad, which caused all the issues, and you will see why. So over here, we have this taking budget, okay, going almost close to being the leading ad. Then continuing, it has, I believe, one good day. So it's taking some good sales with 30. We still are spending 100 per day over here. And then we go to the 26 and we can see that it's the second one, and this one has taken more budget and it's having also better results. But the problem here is that this one stayed persistent, and instead of respecting this one that went really well, it came here and it actually took all of the budget. So you can see that immediately it went and took all of the budget, 92, and this one didn't take any budget at all. Of course, at this point, these were open, these were turned on. So what you could have done over here, if you see over here from the 23 to the 27, you can see, for example, here that you are having these results. The option over here was to close this one because this one was a leading ad that was having bad results. But even if you haven't done it, let me show you what happened here. Meta corrected this on its own, okay? So in one day, Meta is giving this one 92. In the next day, it's giving it immediately 4.99. Now, the question is for you that you're watching this video. Do you want Meta to take these decisions without you intervene? not a problem. If you have a good, strong account, you're not going to have an issue. Eventually, Meta is going to figure it out. Do you want to save money and do it faster, or even try to do it where Meta would fail? Because here we are going into an endless battle of having a leading ad, not the leading ad, now it's not the leading ad, and so on. So this campaign is actually ruined because of the behavior of one ad that actually went all in and took all of the budget. What you could have done in this period, you could have closed it instead of waiting for Meta to do it, or maybe be proactive earlier. Maybe you would have done a mistake, it doesn't matter. But Meta is also doing this kind of changes. So what are we doing? We try to be proactive, and these are things that Meta is also doing. So we're doing the same thing. We try to do it a little bit faster. Sometimes we're going to make mistakes, but sometimes we're going to be correct with these decisions. So this is proving to you that Meta is already doing optimization the same way that we think, or we believe that the algorithm is thinking, and we try to interpret it. I hope that this is going to help you understand why we do optimize, and I will see you for the closing of the video. So as you can understand, in this channel we do like to explain everything with logic or with results and stuff, and not just by saying that we do this because it's working, you know. I always try to ask why.
Why are you the way that you are?
And this is the answer here. It's another proof. I have seen this. I was seeing this all the time with campaigns optimizing on their own, and I was thinking, can I do this? Can I be faster? And this is how I came up with all of my philosophies about optimization. I know it's difficult to master it, but the more you do it, the more experience you're going to get. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my website. You can check also my mentorships that I have on my website, and you can check also below my mentorships all the people that they have completed them, and testimonials from people that they have attended to my inner circle, or they have been part of the chosen 5. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.